Okay guys, ang sarap pakinggan nito at ang sarap mag-react dito. Hindi ako nasasarapan dahil masarap siyang magsalita o masarap yung mga sinasabi niya. Nasasarapan ako kasi ang sarap siyang sagutin kasi parang, ewan ko ba?
The end of
Pakinggan
this
natin.
crisis.
No, it is not a constitutional crisis. It is just causing public confusion. Tandaan natin, Karen. It is a futile exercise. It is creating a legal cloud or a political illusion of power when there is none. Talaga, when you say constitutional crisis, two powers collide. But in this particular case, one has no more power, the other has power. So it just creates a political illusion, a legal cloud of doubt when there is none. Bakit mo? Sapagkat nagkaroon na ng majority, they have already attained the three most important aspect of credibility and legitimacy. Ano yung tatlo? Number one, Avellino versus Cuenco. By jurisprudence, napakalakas nila.
Okay.
Number two, the executive already
Yes,
recognized
recognized.
it. Ibig
Yeah.
sabihin, in the separation of powers, the idea is not a wall of China, but coordination. Now, the executive will only say coordinate with the majority. They become useless. Di ba? And third, Karen, the majority has the floor. Kahit na ano pa ang kanilang, let us assume na matuloy ngayon, nagkaroon ng resolution, nagkaroon ng report, saan nila sasubmit? Wala silang masasubmitan because they do not have the floor. And when they submit it to the floor which is constituted by the majority, they will treat it as a mere scrap of paper. It is a futile exercise. It will collapse sooner or later.
Actually, political crisis pa rin yan, sir. Kasi alam mo kung bakit? Never mind kung sino yung mga sumusuporta sa kabila na in power. Never mind na kung lahat man kampi na sa kanila. O never mind kung lahat ng ahensya ng gobyerno hawak na nila. Sir, huwag naman ganun. Masyado mo namang dinidisappoint ang tao. Yan na nga lang yung cling namin eh. Yan na lang yung a bit cling of hope na kahit papano, magkaroon ng boses at gusto naming marinig yung tungkol doon sa flood control. Tapos ang sinasabi mo dyan naku, ganyan-ganyan yung mga dilaw sir, tsaka common na yan sa pink. Huwag nyo na po kasing tutulan, hayaan nyo na lang. Always go with the process. Kasi it somehow help the people. The people is asking. The government is one power, sir. But you're forgetting that the people is also another power. And the people has strength, sir. Kasi eventually, sino ba magluluklok sa mga yan? Sino ba maglalagay niyan sa katungkulan? Sir, the people. Diba? Vox Populi, sir. Tapos, sir, totoo naman. Pagka nagkaroon sila ng resolution dyan, at naggumawa sila ng mga papers, wala naman talaga silang pagsasubmitan na, even in the ombudsman, even in the DOJ. Wala na talaga. Oo, sir. Pero may nakakalimutan kang isa, sir. Pwede nilang isubmit sa amin, sir. Nakikinig kami, sir, oh. Nagbabasa kami, nagmamatsyag kami, sir. Kaya, please, don't make us lose hope. Yun na lang yung cling namin, eh. Yung kahit paano, masaya na lang kami na kahit paano nakakaganti kami by that. Kasi, ang dami nang ginawa sa taong bayan, boss. Oo, ang daming perang ginastos na. Tapos ikaw masaya ka pa. Tapos nag-i-illusion ka pa, sir, na wala ring nangyayari sa mga kamag-anak mo, sa pamilya mo. Nandito ka rin naman sa Pilipinas. Sir, hindi ko naman ikaw masisisi. Siguro ubod ka ng yaman, pero wag naman ganyan. It's the only hope we had that nagkikling pa kami. They will submit that sa amin, sir. Kahit hindi na sa ombudsman. Kahit hindi na sa DOJ. Basta sa taong bayan. At makikita namin yun, sir. At kahit papano, sir, nakakahinga kami ng maluwang-luwang. Despite the fact na napakarami pa rin namin pinoproblema dito sa bansa na to, it's just a reason na pwede pa kaming magkaroon ng, may pag-asa pa pala ang bayan. Nakakalimutan nyo na yan, sir. Grabe, ang selfish nyo. Out of your so many knowledge, sir, din ka, etc., etc. Pero out of your so many knowledge, you always forget the basic. The basic is the people, sir. Not you, not the government, not anybody. It's the people, sir.